We're just laying on the couch playing with toys, and it really looks like she wants to crawl. She's scooting her whole butt in the air and scooting. She's behind that. She's behind that cushion right there. Look at that. She's trying to crawl, I swear. Yeah. You sound like a cat. Meow. See that? See that? Oh my God, she's trying to crawl. Let's see, maybe put the arms up. Toy over here. Let's try that. Crawl away. This is the first time I saw her like pushing her butt up so much. My goodness. Get it. Look at her pushing herself up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's getting so big. Hi. Hi. Are you having fun? You sure sound like it. Yes, you do. She's so trying to crawl. Oh my gosh. Her socky wants to come off. Get the toy. Get it. You can do it. You can do it. Look at that cute little butt. Oh. And the drool. Really? Alright, looks like we're going to keep trying.